Hi Salman sir. Hello Chiranjeevi sir. Salman sir, my question is to you. You know, everyone spoke about how you came on board for the cameo over here, and then you're very close to the family, and I believe Ramcharan sir has also shot with you. How did that happen? Like the cross culture over there.
How do you know that Ram has shot with me? पहले तो इसका जवाब दो मुझे.
Heard that he has shot with you for your next.
True story. So we were shooting in Hyderabad, and Venki was there with me. We were shooting, so he came to see me, and he said, "I want to do this," and I said, "No, no, 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 no." He said, "I want to be with you, and I want to be with Venki in the same frame." So I thought he was just kidding. So I said, "No, we'll talk about this tomorrow." Tomorrow he got his van. He got his costume. He's got everything. He was there before us. So I said, "What are you doing?" I said, "No, I want to be here." And I said, "We love you and we want you to be here, but is it okay for you to be here?" They said, "Yeah." And that's how he came into the film. And we had a great time shooting. Yeah. And after that as well.
Uh,
Much better.
and Chiranjeevi sir, a question for you. You know, this is a remake of a Malayalam film called Lucifer. There is a sequel as well to Lucifer being made. Are you planning similar things for Godfather as well?
As of now, I don't have any idea. Even he doesn't have. But yesterday, when he was showing the last reel, he kept one or two unnecessary scenes. As of now, that time I felt. But after seeing those end scenes of somebody talking in Interpol in somewhere about my re-entry into this again underworld, I thought, do you have any idea of making this part two? No, sir, nobody knows. Because if chance comes, this scene will be helpful. So that I kept it. In such case, okay, go ahead. Maybe, we don't know. But I was talking to the director, Prithviraj Sukumaran, and he said once, "Sir, that was coming very well. If you are interested, I will let you hear the subject." And that's maybe possibilities are there to make part two of Godfather.
चलो मेरी पिक्चर कंफर्म हो गई.
Hello. Yeah. Oh, yes, sir. My question was.
I am moving to the south.